But design isn't the only thing changing. Apple is about to introduce one of its most significant software updates in the past decade. Ever since 2013, when Apple unveiled iOS 7, the company has maintained the same core design language. That identity has persisted through every iOS update, from iOS 7 to the upcoming iOS 18. However, that's about to change. According to one of the most trusted sources in Apple leaks, Mark Gurman, iOS 19 will bring the most radical redesign in iPhone history. Apple is reportedly taking inspiration from Vision OS, the software powering the Vision Pro, to completely revamp the iOS experience. From settings to icons, windows, and buttons, everything is being reimagined. This isn't just a visual refresh, it's a fundamental shift in how iOS looks and feels. We even have an early glimpse of this transformation. A leaked version of the redesigned camera app, based on Vision OS, shows a sleek, modern interface that looks cleaner and more intuitive than ever before. And if Apple is making such drastic changes to something as essential as the camera app, which has always been a priority for them, then we can only imagine how massive the overhaul will be across the entire operating system. So now, we're not just looking at the biggest iPhone design change, we're also witnessing the biggest software evolution in iOS history. But that's not all. Apple is making a dramatic shift in its product lineup strategy as well. The iPhone Plus model is officially being phased out, and in its place, Apple is introducing the iPhone 17 Air.